Hello guys, Jhon Marulanda here to present to you this 2014 Hyundai Elantra with a 1.8 engine and 145 horsepower. The Hyundai Elantra gives you 28 miles per gallon in the city, 38 on the highway. This one is equipped with a CD player, air conditioning, and also Bluetooth and stereo controls on the steering wheel. Power windows, power locks. It's blue in color with a gray cloth interior. 15-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle's in great condition. If you want information on this or any other vehicles, please contact me, Jhon Marulanda, at 941-580-8101 or visit our website www.firkinscj.com.